Hello there, welcome to the economic data that is set to drive the markets on Wednesday, June the 1st. Well, we start at 2 a.m. with the China MFG PMIs. The official number is expected to fall to 49.9 from 50.1, while the Cajun survey comes out at 2:45 a.m. and is forecast to increase to 49.6, and that's from 49.4. Now, the Cajun survey is derived from a survey of 430 private industrial businesses. Now, these numbers will likely set the tone of the trading day for Wednesday. Now, after slight expansions in the previous 2 months, this data is expected to be rather lackluster, really, confirming the general view that China is enduring an ongoing soft landing. Then we go down under for the Australian GDP number. Now, growth in the first quarter is expected to be 0.6% for the quarterly number, but as you can see for the yearly number, we're expecting it to drop to 2.5%, and that's from 3%. Now, the Australian dollar will be the currency to watch on the back of this one. Now, falls in commodity prices and space capacity are the two biggest challenges for the Australian economy right now, although an enviable number when you compare it to a lot of the Eurozone, for example. So Europe will be digesting these stats while awaiting the UK manufacturing PMI numbers for May. They're due at 9:30 in the morning, expected to rise to 49.8, and that's from 49.2, potentially providing some tailwinds for the sterling. So sterling will be the currency to watch on the back of that. Then we'll be turning our attentions to the US. So we've got a few to look out for on this one. We've got the US ISM MFG PMI for May. This survey of manufacturing activity is forecast to show that the sector has slowed slightly, with the index falling to 50.6 from 50.8, just a fraction there. Now, all of the dollar crosses will be in focus on the back of that one. Okay, moving on throughout the day at 3:30 p.m, oil will take centre stage. Now, we've obviously got the OPEC meeting coming up this week as well, so that's something to put on the agenda in the diary. Now, inventories are expected to see an increase of 400,000 from a 4.2 million barrel fall in the preceding week. Now, according to the UAE's economy minister, oil could jump to $60 per barrel in the next few months. Now, he was actually speaking at a conference in Abu Dhabi on May the 30th when he made those comments. All right, the last data release to watch out for the day, for Wednesday, will come in at 7 p.m. It's the US Beige Book that will indeed be released. Now, this follows a flurry of positive US stats we've had recently, including a stronger spending on house building and a smaller headwind from a global slowdown in trade as well. Now, corporate profits also picked up better than the initial accounting last week as well. So it'll be interesting to see what this survey of business confidence and business conditions as well has to say. All right, so that's the economic stats to expect on Wednesday. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.